If you want to change your YouTube channel name, you can change it anytime from your mobile phone or from your PC. But two things to keep in mind. One, you can only do it 3 times in 90 days period. And the second thing is, if your channel is verified, like a tick or a check mark is showing with the channel, it will remove that if you change your channel name. That is, you need to verify the things again. So let me just exactly show you how to do this. So let's say that you are on this main screen. I'll go to this logo and click on view your channel. Now once you are in here, you will click on this customize channel option and it will take you to this branding area where you can change your channel name. So click on basic info. If you want to change the logos or pictures or banners, you can do it from the branding. But if you just want to change the channel name, you can change it from here. Let's say I want to mention upskill education, right? I just changed the name. If I click on publish, it will ask you for the verification, and verification is very simple. I'll just proceed. And here it will ask you for the PIN. If you have set up a PIN for quick login, the Windows PIN, or otherwise it will ask you for your Gmail password or something like that. And after that, it will ask you to check your phone and verify this. So you will receive a message on your phone. You will click on yes, it's me, and just mention the code you can see on the laptop. So let's click on 61. And now the changes are verified. I've just confirmed that it's me that is making that changes, and I have successfully changed my channel name. Now let's click here to check whether it's changed or not. So it has changed, and below that is the handle name. So if you want to learn more on how you can make all of these customizations, just mention in the comments below what further tips do you want to know about YouTube, and I'll see you in the next one.